Welcome to This Explainer. Look, if you look around today in 2026, you know that the digital world is shifting faster and, honestly, more unpredictably than ever before. We are literally facing a completely new era of business and technology. And the real challenge, it's not just surviving this crazy shift, it's figuring out how to actually own the unknown. So how exactly do you prepare for a completely uncertain future? Seriously, take a second and think about it. Does your current skill set actually feel ready for the unknown? Like, if the ground just shifted beneath your industry tomorrow, are you confident you've got the tools to pivot and adapt? For a lot of professionals and organizations, if we're being honest, the answer is a flat no. Traditional methods are just really struggling to keep up with the sheer pace of modern innovation. But there is a specific, highly respected solution out there that we're going to unpack for you today.
Enter Hyper Island. Founded way back in 1996 in Sweden, I gotta tell you, this is definitely not your traditional university. It actually operates as a creative business school and a transformation partner. It was built specifically to tackle the messy challenges of the modern digital era, and it's become a globally respected institution because of it. Their whole mission, the whole shebang, is to prepare individuals and companies to actually thrive in our rapidly changing digital world. And they do this by focusing on this incredible blend of creativity, technology, leadership, and, most importantly, real-world application.
Section 1. The experiential methodology. Learning by doing.
Now, we all know the traditional education model, right? It's super theory-heavy, packed with passive lectures, and focused on those standard textbook MBA skills. Well, Hyper Island completely flips that script. Their approach completely trades those passive, sit-and-listen lectures for real client projects, active reflection, and heavy collaboration. It's just an incredibly hands-on experience, and it's specifically designed to mirror the actual complexities and chaos of the real business world. So, what does this experiential methodology actually mean in practice? Well, it basically means an educational approach that is completely free of traditional lectures. Think about that for a second. No traditional lectures at all. Instead, learning happens entirely through tackling actual, real-world client projects, getting into deep collaboration with your peers, and practicing active reflection. By stripping away that rigid lecture format, this methodology literally forces professionals to navigate real-world chaos, solve actual problems on the fly, and foster the kind of creativity and digital leadership that, honestly, reading a textbook simply cannot provide.
Section 2. Programs and global reach. What they offer.
They cater to a really wide variety of needs, which is pretty cool. For working professionals who want a deep, accredited education, they offer master's programs. This even includes a part-time, fully online master in digital management. But hey, if you need something much faster, they've got short courses and Y-hash programs. These range from one-day sprints to intensive 6-week upskilling sessions covering totally critical topics like digital strategy, innovation, AI ethics, and creative skills. And finally, they provide corporate solutions. These are highly tailored training and leadership development programs built directly for companies that are looking to drive major cultural transformation.
Now, to really understand the scale of their impact, you literally just need to look at one massive number, over 2,000. That is the number of organizations that have actively partnered with them. Let that sink in. This isn't just some theoretical training playground. This massive adoption rate establishes some undeniable corporate credibility. I mean, when over 2,000 companies trust an institution for tailored training and cultural transformation, well, that speaks volumes about the real-world value of this learning by doing approach.
And their reach extends way beyond their roots in Sweden. They have physical campuses spanning everywhere from Stockholm and London over to Manchester, New York, Singapore, and Sao Paulo. This really shows us that Hyper Island isn't just some localized niche school, it is a massive worldwide movement. It's accessible to digital strategists, entrepreneurs, and creative leaders across the entire globe.
Section 3. Is it worth it? Time for some reviews and a quick reality check.
When you dive into the alumni feedback, a really clear theme emerges right away. One graduate actually noted that the hands-on projects with real clients gave them skills no traditional MBA could match. Honestly, that is a powerful piece of social proof. It directly challenges the assumed value of your standard lecture-heavy MBA. It strongly suggests that getting this real-world client experience delivers a much more practical, instantly applicable skill set for today's hyper-competitive market. Other alumni literally call it the absolute best investment in their career, pointing out that the network and the mindset shift are just priceless. And that's the key here, right? It's not just about learning a new software tool or memorizing some rigid business framework. It's about fundamentally rewiring how you approach leadership and innovation. They are aiming to provide a genuinely career-defining return on investment.
Now, to give you the complete picture, we have to be transparent and weigh the pros and the cons. On the bright side, you get that priceless mindset shift, incredible networking, a strong ROI, and invaluable real-world client experience. But there is a catch. You knew there had to be one. These programs are incredibly intense, and they demand a very high level of commitment. Plus, the premium tuition is, a significant financial investment. And while they do have those global campuses and online options we mentioned, some of the full-time programs are geographically limited. So it's a high-reward path for sure, but it absolutely requires serious dedication and resources.
Beyond just the student reviews, their reputation is heavily solidified on a global stage. They are frequently drawing major praise from top-tier media outlets like CNN, Forbes, and the Financial Times. Honestly, standing out to these massive financial and news heavyweights really validates their position as one of the most recognized, top-tier alternative education institutions out there today for forward-thinking individuals.
So bringing this all together, they hold an incredibly impressive 4.8 out of 5-star rating. This outstanding metric reflects their global reputation, the huge impact of their methodology, and their clear success in preparing people for a totally uncertain future, even when you account for the high intensity and the cost we just talked about. Oh, and as a cool little bonus, for those engaging through specific platforms, there's even an option to earn a 1 Q&A reward via Quasa just for getting involved.
We've explored their unique learning by doing methodology, their massive global reach, and the objective realities of their intensive programs. It's super clear that Hyper Island equips professionals to thrive in a totally unpredictable world. So I'm going to leave you with this final provocative question. Are you ready to own the unknown? Are you actually ready to step away from traditional education and embrace the real transformation required for the future? Thank you so much for joining me in this explainer. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you next time.